Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can format your text messages in Telegram. So on the desktop version, it's really easy. All we have to do to get started is open up a conversation and then let's type in our message. Hello world, for example. Now I'm going to highlight it by pressing Ctrl A. This automatically selects all. I'm gonna right click this. Then I'm gonna go over to formatting. Here we can control what type of formatting we want to use, and it also displays some quick keyboard shortcuts. So say I want to make this bold and I want to make this italic. If I send the message, you can see it applies. Another cool thing you can do is create links in Telegram. So for example there, I'm going to right click, formatting, I'm going to press Control, create link. Now I can set an URL. So let's say I want to do youtube.com, create, and send the message. So if they click on this link, it's automatically going to send them to youtube.com. There are plenty of other ways you can make use of this feature, and really you can use it to you can manipulate this to fit your needs. So that's it. Pretty quick and easy, only a few clicks. And I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. As always, thank you for watching.